Okay folks, so today we are gonna take a look at more gear, and today it's gonna be the Launchpad Control X XL. Let me get that closer so we have a better view and focused. Right, so first off, we gotta open this box. So that's how the controller is supposed to look like. It is compatible with Abelton Live Light and obviously Live as well. It's rather old. Well, not really old. It says it's compatible with El Capitan, so that's not too old. Alright, so I've already taken the liberty of getting some of the initial tape off. Nice. Nice packaging. And there's the cover for you. Ooh. Let's start with the accessories. We will need the USB-B. Is that what they call it? No. USB-A for the power supply. And the device itself, because there's nothing else left in there. So let's put that aside. This looks new. Looks new. Flip it over. And so that's a nice feel on the pads. I mean, on this backing. So it's not supposed to move anywhere. So I'm going to put some more B-roll on this one, but I'm just going to, show you how it looks like while we're both looking at it. So, alright, so that's, those are tight. And are they clickety? Alright. So these are, instead of drum pads, these are track focus pads. So I don't know if you can actually use these as drum pads. It would be, looks kind of weird if it were. So I don't expect this to be drum pads. I have drum pads. It's over there. And these pots, these are not continuous infinite pots. These are 0 to 100% just right there, and it's got a 0. So if you've mixed with mixers before, most mixers have an indentation or a lock feel there. So I'm feeling that on these. So this is a relatively new manufacture. There. So I'm almost done. So let's go through everything and make sure everything is where it should be or feels tight all over like a new product. So yeah. So I'm pretty excited to get this connected. This connected, not disconnected. It's only got one. There, that's it. And that goes straight to your PC, and it's supposed to, this is supposed to have close integration with Ableton Live, which at this point appears to be my DAW of choice. I've got them all because of all the all the basic versions, because of all the devices I've been collecting over time. So yeah. Oh, and this is an L shape, by the way. So if you connect this, it'll be like that. So it goes out the other way, right? Instead of this way. So I would say that is the correct way that it should be for it to connect to everything. So this is 3 by, I believe, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 24 pots you can play with. 8 pots for sends A, 8 pots for send B, and the pan device. The send select. You've got factory and user templates. So the way that works is you press on the factory and one of the pads here. All right. So you've got mute and solo. I guess it'll work for whatever track you have selected. Oh, this device, and you just press on hold. Device select. So if you press hold, and I can press the track select buttons, which functions as a device selector. At the same time, if I press hold, I can choose the device banks from down here. All right, got it. So let's see how that pans out in actuality. But for now, there you go. That is the Novation Launchpad Control XL, and shipped to me in 2020.